At 3:33 a.m., someone sat on his bed. Mark woke up to the sound of breathing, slow, deep, and not his own. His room was dark, but the mattress beside him slowly sank, as if someone heavy had sat down. He froze, pretending to sleep. The breathing came closer to his ear. His phone vibrated with a notification from a sleep app he never installed. Recording detected. The breathing suddenly stopped. When Mark turned on the light, the room was empty, but his phone showed a recording labeled "You weren't alone." He never slept in that room again, but every night at 3:33 a.m., the recording autoplayed by itself.